Hey friends, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger, and today I'm doing my best haul ever. Like, you guys, I still cannot get over the stuff that I picked up, and it's amazing. I mean, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say about it. But what I did, I went to a consignment sale pop-up. It was something my mom read about in the paper. I think it was basically like a bunch of ladies in the neighborhood who maybe once a year sell their clothing. I don't know, it was so much clothing. But yeah, anyways, I went on the last day because they were doing a discount, 40% off on the last day, and consignment prices are not cheap. However, the stuff that I found, like on trend, in style, great labels, and a lot of new tags, it's just stuff I didn't mind paying up for. So keep that in mind. I would say some of it was like around thrift store prices, but a lot of it was like at least 2 to 3 times more than like what I would normally pay at the thrift store. But I did not mind at all because I know this stuff is gonna be great to resell on Poshmark. Some of it will go on eBay, but yeah, it's just, I can't wait. So let's get into the haul. Okay, so I'm going to start with this swimsuit first, and it is by Clover Canyon. It's a great scuba material, and they do a lot of brightly colored patterns and prints. There's the label, it's bright orange, and this is actually new tags. So it's a brand new swimsuit. I need to see what they retail for. I'll probably list it around 100. This is a graphic tank top. I love selling graphic tank tops. It's by the brand Chaser, and it's a burnout. It's a racerback, probably 30, 35. And then I did find another Chaser tank top. Again, it's kind of got that skull boho themed graphic. Again, 30 to 35 on that one. This is Show Me Your Muumuu, which people collect the different prints and styles. I really like the tie-dye print on this one. It's kind of a sheer racerback festival style. I need to see what those go for, maybe like $60. Show Me Your Muumuu again, and it's star print, which star print always does really well for me. Again, maybe like $60 on that. And then this is Postmark from Anthropologie. It is a new tags top, and it's got that window pane grid plaid print. It's got a peplum hem, and then you can see scallops at the bottom, a cutout back with the scallops again. Just a great little top for spring or summer, probably like 45 on that one. This is a halter top. It's got these turquoise stones around the neckline. It's a pretty stretchy jersey. It's by this brand Sky, which was made famous by the Real Housewives, and it's actually new with tags. These tops retail for like $150, so I'll probably list this one around $80, $85. This is a beautiful tunic top. It's got a high-low hem. I really like the kind of watercolor abstract print, and the brand is Leaf's Daughter from Anthropologie. Probably list that one around $45. It's very nice quality. This top has a lot of great embroidery, very colorful, and it has these cute little pom-poms at the bottom. And this is by Akemi and Ken, and this is from Anthropologie again, and it's got a little keyhole in the back, maybe like $40 on that one. This is another Anthropologie top. I always pick up a lot of Anthropologie Deletta, and I liked how this one had these polka dots layered underneath the jersey top, so it's like a great 2-in-1 kind of look. And then next is this striped piece, and this top is kind of one shoulder, off the shoulder, one shoulder, cut out. It's got a lot going on. It might be a dress or a tunic, and it's by May from Anthropologie. I'll probably list this around $40 or $45. This next top is another Show Me Your Muumuu. This one I wasn't sure about. It's pretty plain, but it does have like a ruffle hem. And I usually pick up more of their prints, but I thought I would try that out. I'll probably list it lower, like $40. This top is a great metallic lace peplum. It is by Maeve from Anthropologie, and it's just a nice dressier top. Probably like $35 on that one. We've got another little peplum style top. So when it flares out at the bottom, that's the peplum, and it's by Postmark. Postmark's one of my favorite Anthropologie brands to sell. That'll probably go for $30 to $35. And then this top I thought was so cute. It's got these little embroidered bananas all over it. It's by Equipment, which they normally make silk tops. This one's cotton. So I'll probably list this maybe like $45 or $50. This top is a great graphic print. It's got these huge flutter sleeves. It is by Maeve from Anthropologie, and it was new with tags, retailed for $88. I'll probably list it around $50. We've got another Chaser top. So before I showed some tank tops, this one is a t-shirt with a really cute peace sign. It did have a little spot on it somewhere. I'll list it lower, like $20 or $25. This top is actually a tunic, which I think you could wear as a beach cover up. It's got pockets, it's got a lace crochet detail, and it is by Free People, one of my favorite brands. I'll list this higher, probably $60 or $65. This top has these huge peasant sleeves. It's got some crochet detailing, and it's by HD in Paris, which is from Anthropologie. This top's beautiful. I'll probably list it at $35 or $40. This top, I had never found this brand before. It's a button-down linen blend shirt, and it's by CP Shades. It's hard to see on that particular label, but they make really, really quality pieces. This is another CP Shades item. It's a striped linen tunic. I need to look up what these go for, but I believe they go for a lot, like $75 or $80. This is another tunic top, or I guess it could be a dress. It's printed, but it has this embroidery and embellishments, and it is by Lucky brand, and it's also new with tags, so I thought this would be perfect for summer with some sandals, maybe $50. Next we have Free People. I sell this style all the time. It's like a slip dress tunic. You can wear it a bunch of different ways, and I love the printed ones. And then I also found a mint green one, and then you'll see I also found a yellow one. I'll probably list these around $45 to $50. It just depends. Some are more rare and go for more. This next dress is a kind of textured metallic I don't know, stretchy knit. It's got tears on it, and it is by Meadow Rue from Anthropologie, and it's just a gorgeous dress. That would be great for like a rehearsal dinner for a bride. I'll probably list that one around $60. And then I was really excited about this find. I love selling polka dots, and this is a great fit and flare, kind of retro style, and it's by Kate Spade. It has a huge exposed zip on the back, and I need to look it up. I'll probably list it around $100, $120. Sundance, one of my favorite brands to resell. It is a catalog brand. They have some stores now, and this is a beautiful green lace crochet dress. It's got a matching slip underneath. I'll probably list it at $60. And then another Sundance dress, probably from the same person, and it's a blue lace, empire waist, and again, probably like $60, $65 on that one. Next, we have a fun leopard print dress, but it's got this great drop hem, and it's got like a tribal Aztec print, and it's by Cabby, and that's the newer Cabby label, the one that I always pick up with the square around it. So I need to look it up, probably $50 on that. And then this is a new with tags left of center from Anthropologie. Their basics do really well. This is a super long, I think it's a tunic tank. Maybe it could be a dress, but it has these high side slits, and I'll probably list that around $45 or $50. Free People, as you can see here, floral print. I love their floral print stuff, and this is actually a great tunic top, and it has a cute keyhole cut out on the back. I'll probably list that around $45 or $50. Dolan Left Coast is from Anthropologie. This is a striped dress. People love their stripes. This is on trend though, with this tie detail in the front. I've seen that on a lot of different items, so that's pretty current. I'll probably list that around $45 or $50. This dress I thought was beautiful. I love the wine burgundy color. It also has embroidery all over it and almost like some mesh panels throughout, and it's V-neck. It's by Moulinette Sewers, which is from Anthropologie. I'll probably list that around, I don't know, maybe $50 or $60. This next dress, I did not know what it was when I grabbed it. It's a really stretchy striped jersey. The wrap reminds me of Diane von Furstenberg. It's got a ruffled trim around the edges, but it's actually a Lily Pulitzer dress, and it's really great quality, and I thought it was different with the stripes. It's super bright in person, maybe $50 on that. This is a Cloth and Stone dress, and Cloth and Stone, they sell it at Anthropologie. They make some really nice chambray pieces, and chambray is very, very popular. It's that denim look in the light wash especially. So yeah, Cloth and Stone, one of my favorites to pick up. And then we are going to go on, sorry, going crazy with the camera right here. Oh, I was trying to show you the label, I think. Come on, Jenna. Okay, so we're going to move on to Show Me Your Moo again. So we're into the dresses, and this is actually a very nice maxi dress, and it's got kind of a lining in the front, so it's almost high-low, but it's a maxi, and I will probably do that for like 75 or 80. Polka dots, again, it's got the peplum hem and a sweetheart neckline. It's by Betsy Johnson, which I love selling her stuff. I'll probably list this one around $65. It was a size 12, so that's great too. This next thing I thought was a tunic top. It's by Eloise from Anthropologie, which it's one of their like lounge sleepwear lines. So I guess it could be a nightgown type of item, but it could be worn anyway. Maybe like 50 on that one. This dress I thought was beautiful. It's got floral print. It's kind of a baby doll style. It's kimchi and blue from Urban Outfitters. I don't always pick up this brand, but I love this style and the cutout on the back. I think this one's pretty sought after. It'll probably go for 50. This next dress, I actually thought it was cloth and stone when I picked it up because it is that similar chambray material. It's off the shoulder and it's by Soft Surroundings, which Soft Surroundings has been doing well for me on eBay. This one's a really cute style. I'll probably list it on Poshmark too, maybe 45 or 50. This dress caught my eye as soon as I saw it on the rack with this colorful embroidery, and it's got like a tassel tie neckline, and it's by Holding Horses from Anthropologie. It's new with tags. It retailed for $198. I'll probably list it for $125. It is amazing quality, but I really love it. This dress is a shift dress, kind of career style. It's got these bows on the front, and it's by J. Crew. The J. Crew black label is a more recent label, and I will probably list this around $50. I do want to look up the style, and what I'm showing you here is the style is actually on the inside tag, so you can just Google J. Crew and that style number, and up will pop the name of the dress as well as some photos. You can usually find the original pricing, so I love that they put that there because it makes it very easy for us to find it. Madewell, a chambray dress, and it's short sleeves. It's a great timeless piece. I mean, anyone can wear this every season. And again, they also put the style number similar to J. Crew, so you can just easily look it up and find some photos and information on it. I'll probably list that around $65. Kate Spade, again, this dress, I love it. It is kind of that retro style as well. It's polka dot print, fit and flare. It has a matching belt. It's a silk blend. It's just stunning. I'll probably list that around $125. This next piece is a striped tunic. It is super long. It has these high side slits, a V-neck, and it's by Saturday Sunday from Anthropologie. That is one of their lounge lines. I'll probably list that around $40 or $45. Talani, sometimes sold at Anthropologie. They make some beautiful bohemian silk pieces. This is a silk poncho. I think it could be worn as a cover-up, and I'll probably list that around $65. Okay, this is another cloth and stone piece. This one has that similar feel to the chambray, but it is kind of a brownish green color. It's got pockets, so I believe it's a dress. It could be a tunic with some pants, probably 45 on the cloth and stone. This is a silk equipment shift dress. It's got pockets. Equipment is a very high-end brand. I think I showed one earlier, and this will probably go for like $60, $65. It's got a little keyhole in the back there. This dress, I liked the print a lot. It's a snakeskin, but it's very colorful, and it is by Florite from Anthropologie. That's the newer label, and it has these cute tassels on the side. Tassels are very in right now. I'll probably list that at $65. This is a romper, so we're on to the rompers. You can see it's got little shorts. It's bright paisley print. It is Show Me Your Moo. I found a lot of Show Me Your Moo at the sale. I will probably list that around $65 or $70. I really need to look up the style, but usually it has the style name right there. You can see it's the romper, Rory romper, so I'll Google that to find pictures. Again, Show Me Your Moo. It's another romper. I like the tribal print on this one. It's got shorts lining in it. Probably similar pricing for that unless it's a very sought after print. Another romper. Rompers are great for the spring and summer, and this one is, I believe it's linen, and it is by J. Crew. It's also a size extra large, which is great, and that's, again, the more recent J. Crew label, maybe 50 on that one. These I was super excited to find. It is a pair of overalls, but they are like that cropped culotte length, and you could honestly probably wear that without something underneath it. It's a more modern cut, and it's Kurt Elliott, and it actually says the name of the style on there. That's the Dweller overall, so I will look up to see how much those go for, but I would think maybe $75 on those. And then now we're on to shorts. this pair of shorts, it's a bright like floral print with a smocked waistband, and the brand on these is Cabby. Again, that's the newer label. I'll probably list those around $30-$35. I loved these shorts. I was excited to find them. They're super cute distressed denim cutoffs. They are by 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon does great. These will probably go for, I don't know, maybe $60, $50-$60. And it said the name on the back of the tag there. They're the bandit style. Okay, on to skirts. I don't always pick up skirts, but I do like the more career styles, and I liked the floral print on this pencil skirt. I just thought that was great for spring. It's the number 2 pencil skirt by J. Crew. So I know people search those out, and it's new with tags. It retailed for $138. I'll probably list that around $60. Again, another floral pencil skirt. It is also J. Crew. Same size, probably from the same person, and it was in amazing condition, so probably $35 or $40. Okay, this skirt is another floral pencil skirt, but it's by Moulinette Source from Anthropologie, and yeah, I just really love the color on it. It's got that exposed zip. It's great quality, so I'm going to look it up, but probably $60. And then onto pants. These are some tie-dye yoga pants. They have this nice little tie at the bottom, and they have a fold-over waistband. The brand on these is Onzi, which is a great yoga line, and the size is usually hidden behind that tag. It's a small medium. I've sold those before. They go for like, I think, $45. Again, some more yoga pants, and these are by Lululemon, so the symbol's somewhere over there. Yep, there we go. And I liked that had kind of the skirt over the top of it. I'll probably list those around $50, and the size tag is in that little pocket for those of you who don't know with Lululemon, and it's hard to see with the light, but that's where it is. Okay, these jeans, I really liked the embroidery on them. Embroidery is great on some pants as well as distressed denim. They're a boyfriend fit, and they're Citizens of Humanity, which I don't always pick up, but those I picked up because they are on trend with the embroidery. I'll probably list those at $100 because those I looked up in retail for over $200. This is the brand Mother, which you can't really see on that tag. You can see it over here on the retail tag, but Mother denim is one of my favorite denim lines. These have the trendy fray at the bottom. Brand new with tags, retailed for over $200. I probably will list these for at least $150. Miss Me, which I love picking up Miss Me. This is a size 34, which I didn't even know they made, so I learned something new, but I only pick them up if they have these great embroidered or super blingy pockets. Those tend to go for more. I picked up another pair. These were a 32, and again, they have the super embellished pockets. I'll probably list those around $65. But yeah, I love picking up denim right now. Okay, on to shoes. I picked up these Jack Rogers Jelly flip-flops. They're in excellent condition. These are a pretty solid seller. They're a great staple, size 8. I'll probably list these at like $38. I believe I've sold those before. This is a pair of platform sandals. They are leather, but they are by the brand Corky's, and Corky's makes great comfort shoes, but they're very stylish. These are kind of retro, great condition. I don't like picking up shoes that I have to clean up or fix too much. These have a couple little scuffs, but nothing major. I'll probably list these around like $45 or $50, and yeah, they'll just go great with all the trends this season. And then the last thing I picked up is this belt. I love picking up belts, and it's genuine leather with a camo print. I think this is actually a men's because it's got the number size. It's a size 32. Probably $30 on that, $35. So that's it for my consignment sale pop-up haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.